Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you're all doing well and having a great day. My name's Amanda and today guys I have a collective autumn haul for you. So I've been to several different shops including Aldi, Ikea, HomeSense and one or two items from the charity shop as well that I want to share with you for autumn. So if you'd like to see what I picked up in those stores that I mentioned, please keep watching. So I'm going to start with Aldi. Okay, so the one item that I actually picked up in Aldi, which is very autumnal, was this set of serving boards. It's kind of like square, but it's almost like a pumpkin kind of shape. So that's the reason why I picked them up, and also for the quality. You know, they look really nice in the kitchen as well, styled up. They did have some other designs as well, but I just went for these ones. I just absolutely love the aesthetics of it. And yeah, $7.99 in Aldi, guys. Okay, so that's those. Okay, so next up I'm going to show you some items that I picked up in HomeSense. Now the first one I got was this beautiful ceramic pumpkin. Now on the front of it you can see it says hello fall, and it's got this lovely gorgeous gold stem on it there. Just absolutely love the text on there. It's very simple but very, you know, very simple but very chic, very autumnal. Really nice sized pumpkin, and this was $5.99. So yeah, so I've got that. Put that down safely. Okay, so next up, I can't go into HomeSense or TK Maxx without picking up a candle. I normally just go in, I mean, I don't really go in there often, so I don't have candles all over my house. But when I do go in, especially like for gifts, for presents, I do absolutely love giving a candle as a gift. You know, HomeSense, TK Maxx is very good for that. Their candles are amazing. So I picked up this lovely candle, lovely, gorgeous scented candle. This is in the scent Fall, and it's by DW. It smells absolutely gorgeous, guys. It's got to be one of my favorite scents for the autumn. I do like the DW candles because on the front they always have some sort of like quirky quote, and on this one it says the season for sweaters, warm drinks and pumpkin everything. So I've got this gorgeous candle, and that one was $6.99. I'm just going to put it on my bedside table here without the lid on it because they're so potent. Even without the lid you can still smell it really strong. Okay, so I also picked up another candle, and it's one from the Sand and Fog range. I do absolutely love the Sand and Fog candles. So this one is in the scent Spice Pumpkin, and again it smells very lovely. It's a sweet pumpkin kind of scent, very similar to this one. I absolutely love both of them. This one, guys, was $8.99. okay, the Sand and Fog one. Now I don't know if it's just me, but when I go into TK Maxx or HomeSense to purchase one of the Sand and Fog candles, I would actually choose the lid that goes with the candle. So this lid wasn't actually on this candle. I swapped it over with another one because this one, it's got a lovely quote on it for autumn. You might like the candle, but the lid is not really the one, you know. So yeah, I swapped them over. So that's a little tip there that I've just shared with you guys. And also, the lids can be used for display. So I'm actually going to use this one as for my autumnal display, because on the front of it, it just says hello pumpkin, and that's very autumnal, isn't it? Okay, so next up I'm going to show you some items that I picked up in Ikea. Now, like this haul, like I said, it's like a collective haul of different stores, but I've only picked up like a few items from each store. You know, so I'm trying to be very good, and I'm just buying like practical things that I know that we kind of need around the house, really. So I'm out of breath, so I had to run downstairs to the kitchen to get this cup to show you the next item. So the next item, I'm just going to undo these. I picked up 2 packs of these cork coasters, or cork, what should I say, saucers. Yes, so yeah, they are part of the IKEA 365 Plus range, which are very like affordable items that you can get in IKEA. Okay, mainly for the kitchen. So I absolutely love that range because they repeat them all the time. They always have them in stock, so you can sort of top up on them. If like something breaks, you can just go to IKEA and pick it up. So anyways, yeah, I picked up these. Okay, so you get a pack of 2, and what they are, they're like coasters or saucers, and they go really well with this style cup from IKEA. Okay, so you can just have your cup or your mug on there like so. It's non-slip as well, that's what I like about it. and it just looks really good as well, you know, whether it's for autumn or just for all year round. So this size cup, the smaller cup from Ikea, fits on it very well. And then I've just gone down to the kitchen to get the larger one. I've got the glass one here, and that fits on there also very, very well. I just absolutely love the concept of this. Also, because it's got a dip in there, your cup is not going to be moving around, you know, it's not going to slip anywhere, you know. Absolutely brilliant, very practical. I'll put the prices in the description box because I can't remember how much these are, and I don't even know what I've done with the receipt. That's the 365 range. Okay, so that's that from Ikea. Also from Ikea, I picked up another one of these jars. Okay, so I've got 3 of these now. I needed another one because I'm just sorting some things out in the kitchen. I'm actually looking to like restyle our kitchen work surface. I'm going to be doing that in the next couple of weeks, decluttering the work surface and keeping it minimal. And I've got an idea for these little jars here. Yeah, so I've got one of these as well. These are a staple piece from Ikea. I've seen people DIY them as well. You know, you can stick a label on the front and make it look really, you know, that kind of aesthetically pleasing, you know, to the eye in your pantry or your storage cupboard. Really nice strong glass jars. The next from Ikea, I did pick up a few items in their little food market. You know, as you're sort of leaving the store, they have their little food market where they sell the meatballs in the packet, and they also sell, you know, like the gravy that you can get with the meatballs. More or less everything that you can find in the Ikea restaurant, they sell it in their little marketplace, in the food marketplace. Okay, so we absolutely love the Ikea hot dogs, you know, so the hot dogs and the mustard is the one, isn't it? We always get this from Ikea, the mustard, the large bottle of mustard. To do your own hot dogs at home, this is the one, guys. This is the one. Okay, so I've got one of those. Then I also picked up some of this, which is the horseradish sauce. Again, I just absolutely love this. Roast beef with a bit of horseradish. Oh my goodness, so delicious. So yeah, I've tried this one before from Ikea. Absolutely got on with it well. We loved it. It went down a treat. So gone back to get some more of that. Okay. Also from Ikea, what else did I get from Ikea? There's a few other things that I did get. We did get some biscuits, but they've already gone because we actually went to Ikea about 3 or 4 weeks ago, but it's only now that I'm bringing you this video. So those biscuits have been, yes, consumed already. Yes. But there's one other item that I want to show you that I got from Ikea, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. This item has been out of stock in Ikea for ages and ages and ages. I think me and Oakley, we went to Ikea just the right time. It was a Saturday and we were just in the house. I thought, let's go to Ikea. I think Oakley mentioned hot dog. That was it. It was after football on Saturday morning. We got back home and we had lunch, and then later on Oakley mentioned hot dog. So I thought, yes, let's go to Ikea. Hubby was at work, so we just jumped on the bus and we got ourselves to Ikea. I'm sure I took some footage of us in Ikea. Anyway, it was the right time to go because when I go to Ikea, I always pop into the bargain basement where they have like reduced display items. And guys, I found the item. The item was just sitting there waiting for Amanda to come along and purchase it. So wait for it, guys. It's quite large, but I just absolutely love it, and I have to share it with you. Okay, so here it is, guys. It's a olive tree. It's a faux olive tree, guys. Now this was in the bargain basement. I got it for £10. £10 for this olive tree. Now it has got a little stem missing, but I've got something else to show you, which I'm going to sort of like DIY this tree and make it look really like realistic. We've actually got olive trees in the front of our house, okay? And when hubby came from work and he saw this, he actually thought I had been to B&M, not B&M, what's it, Home Bargains, and got one of the olive trees from their garden centre. But no, I said, no, it's not a real olive tree. It's actually a faux olive tree. Now, that's how realistic it looks. He was very impressed with this olive tree, okay? So yeah, I got that for £10 in the bargain basement. Now, I'm going to put a clip on the screen of how I've actually styled it all up. I've put it into a white, large plant pot that I got from Ikea many years ago. It's just in our garden. It might be a little bit small. I might have to sort of get a bigger pot for it later on, but at the minute it looks absolutely gorgeous. So there's a clip of it just on the side here, how it looks, and I just absolutely love it, guys. What a bargain. So it is actually worth when you go to Ikea to pop into the bargain basement, because you can find some good bargains. Okay, so next up I'm just going to show you a couple of items that I got in the charity shop. So the first one is this tray basket. Is it a tray basket? Yeah, I'm going to call it a tray basket, but the first one is this. So this one was in the Sue Ryder charity shop, and this was £1.50. This is going to go onto our console table. I'm going to style it all up with some of the items that you've seen in some of my hauls for autumn. So yeah, absolutely love that. A really good find. Okay, so I've got that. So next up, I picked up these like fairy lights, but as you can see, these brown coloured mesh on them. Now they are quite round, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to, because it's mesh metal, I'm just going to squeeze them down a little bit and then turn them into pumpkins. So that's one I've just done there. Yeah, turn them into like shapes of pumpkins, and I got this for £1, and I thought, yes, I'm gonna get those. That's a real bargain. And again, these are going to be perfect for just doing like an autumn garland. It's very autumnal. So yeah, I got that. I just like the turquoise handle of this. It reminded me of something that I've seen, but I wasn't sure where. Now the box was just sitting on the shelf like so, and I thought, yeah, this can be like a nice sort of wine bottle or champagne bottle box, or even for storage, because you can have it like that way and you can put like things inside. So when I took the lid off and turned it around, you see, guys, Fortnum and Mason. Fortnum and Mason, established 1707. This was a great steal, and it was just £1.50. £1.50, so I thought, yep, I'm going to get that. So glad that I got it, because it's Fortnum and Mason. London, Fortnum and Mason. So, yep, that had to come home with me. Okay, so the next item is actually from Sainsbury's Home Habitat. And then this is another item that I've been looking at on the Sainsbury's Home Habitat website for ages, and I've been like reluctant to purchase them because they've always been like £5 or £6. And what they are, guys, they're these olive stem leaves. Okay, absolutely gorgeous olive stem leaves. And guys, these were reduced from £5 down to £2.50. Okay, down to £2.50. So I thought, absolutely brilliant. I was looking everywhere to get some extra olive stems to sort of like bulk up this tree that I just showed you from Ikea. And also I put some in this vase here. Now on my previous haul, which was the Primark haul, I showed you this vase. These leaves were from Sainsbury's Home Habitat, and they look absolutely gorgeous in there, don't they, guys? So guys, that's all I have for you today from my collective autumn haul. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Do let me know which was your favourite items from this collective autumn haul. I'm absolutely loving my olive tree from Ikea. Gonna try and pick it up again without knocking the camera over. Absolutely loving my olive tree from Ikea. Lots of bargains, and of course this gorgeous tray, basket tray, which I got in the charity shop. You know, so many lovely bargains. So do give this video a big thumbs up, share the love, guys, and if you are new, do consider subscribing to my channel. I post weekly videos, lots of lifestyle content, so shopping hauls like this one here, DIYs. I've got some DIYs coming up on the channel for autumn, and also styling and organizing, decluttering, all that kind of content as well. If you are watching this video on your phone or your tablet, I would say the subscribe button is somewhere down there on the red. Okay, so you just click on that button and that will make sure that you're subscribed. And then if you're watching on your TV and you wish to subscribe to my channel, you click on my profile picture and that will take you to my channel, and then somewhere on the screen there'll be a subscribe button. Okay, so you just click on that and then you'll be subscribed, and then also click the notification bell and you'll be the first to be notified of when I post a new video. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Take care, keep well, and I shall see you very soon on the next video. Bye.
never dreamed about nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting